Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the required documents: the original birth certificate, the mother's valid ID, and supporting proof showing the correct name. Once done, scan each document to PDF or JPEG and check file sizes against portal limits so uploads won't fail. Next, log into the Tamil Nadu birth registration or district e-Sevai portal using your Aadhaar or mobile OTP. This gives you access to the application form and lets you start the correction request immediately. You now fill the correction application. Choose correction of birth entry and type the mother's name exactly as it appears on your supporting proof. This reduces rejection risk. Then upload the affidavit, ID, and any documentary proof, and complete the payment if the portal requires a fee. Make sure to select the correct local registrar of births and deaths office and confirm your contact number. Submit using digital signature, or OTP, so officials can accept the online case for review. After submission, you should track the application status on the portal and promptly respond to any registrar queries. Delays often come from missing or mismatched documents. Once approved, download the corrected birth certificate and verify the mother's name exactly. If the application is rejected, read the rejection reason, correct the documents, and resubmit or visit the registrar in person. If online verification stalls, make an in-person appointment with originals. This single troubleshooting step usually...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.